Christian. I finished this beanie and I'm gonna call it Banksia Survival Flower, based on the design of this flower here. It's a very strong hardy flower, so I'm just gonna show you the top. Quite pretty. And the body of it, and the brim is a bit flare, which I quite like, and I used the Downton Abbey's design. Yeah, I hope you like my design. Okay, love you so much.